What one apple costs 75 cents, how much do three cost? You use this math every day. Multiplying a decimal by a whole number might seem tricky, but it's not. In fact, if you can multiply whole numbers, you already know 99% of the work. Let's unlock the rest with one simple trick. It's called the forget and remember strategy, and it's brilliant. Step 1. Forget the decimal point exists. Just multiply the numbers like they're whole. Let's try 3 times 0.45. We'll pretend it's 3 times 45, which equals 135. Step 2. Count how many decimal places were in your original number. In 0.45, there are 2 digits after the point. Step 3. Remember to put those 2 places back into your answer. Starting from the right of 135, we count 2 spots in. 1, 2. The answer is 1.35. But what if you need more places than you have digits? Say 7 times 0.009. First, we forget the decimal and multiply 7 by 9. That's 63. Now we count the places in 0.009. There are 3. But our answer, 63, only has 2 digits. Simple. We add a placeholder 0 on the left. So instead of 0.63, it becomes 0.063. The answer is 0.063. This works for everything. Buying 6 kilograms of potatoes at 1.85 a kilo, just multiply 185 by 6 to get 11.10. The original price had 2 decimal places, so our total cost is $11.10. And a crucial tip. Unlike adding, you never need to line up the decimal points when you multiply. Just ignore them completely until that final step. That's the entire secret. It's just familiar multiplication with one final clever move. So next time you're calculating costs, scaling a recipe, or building a project, remember the strategy. Forget the point, multiply, count the spots, and then remember to put it back.